so I just got this thing here. No, actually, this is my old thing. Got this way back. I love this, but this one here, like, it's good, but it's still not balanced like my, yeah, no, it's open. So I just figure out I'm just gonna get this new one here, this new version, and this is the new version. So it's all covered till the back side of it. So yeah, we're just gonna try to install it, and we're gonna try to sell this one out. So with regards to this, I can still use this top one if it just focuses. There you go. So this top one here I'm gonna try to use, but this one I'm gonna try to sell. Yeah, this is, yeah, the final one. It's like a wraparound. That way when you hold it, your hands, man, you just a bit secure. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, it's a bit check the tools. It's like all we need. Ooh, silver. Okay, that's gonna affect things. I can use the old one actually. Let me see. Should have chosen black, but I think this is what we have. Okay, check if it was black. Yeah, silver might matter. Doesn't matter. Should have checked if it was black. Oh. It's nice that they're using plastic. But let's remove this one out. So this is the old one. This one down here first. Yeah, I should have checked if it's black. So it's not black. So there you go. Coolio. First impressions about this one here. This feels weird in here when you hold it and your finger goes through the hole. If they block the hole, it would have been nice, but the thing is, it's still okay. But yeah, okay, first impressions is that when I just hold this thing and my fingers are here, I can definitely feel that hole, it's sharp. I can shave it a bit or whatever, but yeah, when you're holding it and your finger gets here, you can feel it's a bit sharp. I mean, it's not that sharp. It just feels weird because when you're holding, I guess I was used to holding this, which was just flat. So this one here just feels a bit weirdy. But yeah, that's it. It makes it stronger though, so I prefer this one. All good. The only gripe that I have for this is that this one is not black. So if it's black, it would have been blended well with this top handle. And other thing is, if you're holding it, you feel a hot spot here. Yeah, it's a hot spot. Like you can feel it when you hold it. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty good because if you hold it this way, I can go ahead with that old handle. But the thing is, if I hold it this way, it feels like something's wedged in my ass, or no, I mean my hand, and it feels chunky. But if you hold it this way, it feels much better. Might lead the camera to lean forward a bit though, but it feels much better for my hand. If I'm gonna rig it, it's gonna feel better because it's gonna be some weight at the back. But other than that, yeah, just the color and this hot spot here. This one blended well with that. But yeah, I could have used the old one, which just does that, but it doesn't have this bolt here or screw. So this one adds strength to the whole thing. So strength goes up here, holds that, and this one guides up here and holds that. But if I'm gonna use the old one, which is black, which would have been cool if I'm able to use it, there's nothing there to lock it. It has to be there, so it would affect the strength. I prefer using the strength, but using the new design. But yeah. Anyway, this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I'm just trying to show you how it looks, how it is. And I don't script my videos, so I have a lot of mistakes. So, for now. Okay, this is just a supplement video. And the thing is, I just said that earlier that I didn't like it because it's silver. But I place it with the camera right now. And as you can see, the silver color works with the fx3. So silver and black. So it kind of works. So I take that back. It looks awesome. It's also so sturdy. Like, yeah, it makes it stronger because it reinforces it at the back, holds it up here. So this thing, initially you have it holding it like this. I can hold it here and it still feels good. It just reinforces the whole thing. Puts the metal up here, and I have this one on top wherein, yeah, it also reinforces the top. I can put some monitors up here. So yeah, pretty much happy. It's just bigger. I'm not used to bigger rigs because I do shoot run and gun. But for this case, this is a welcome upgrade. Yeah, that's all.